Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ram 1500 ST. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in bright white and it looks great. You got the bug deflector right up front here with the chrome accenting on your grille. Now you also have halogen quad headlamps and a chrome bumper right down there. Now coming around the side, we do have 17-inch rims here with Goodyear brand Wrangler tires, and those rims look awesome in the black. It stands out nicely, gives it a very nice look. You got the running boards along the bottom there with the 1500 logo, and you do have heated exterior mirrors in the black as well. Now coming all the way to the back, we have a 5-foot box back here, and you do have your Ram logo and your backup camera just under there. As well, you do have that chrome bumper on the back as well. Now we can open this guy up and look in the back. It is a 5-foot box, as I said. Lots of room back here, and there is the bed liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button just up there. But let's unlock and take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out here with a handle here and some storage just right down there. Now as well, you do have the controls over your lights, so you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams all right here, and the control over your turning signals, your high beams, and your windshield wipers all hanging out there. And the interior is very comfortable. It is very soft as well. Those seats are very soft and they will be good on long car trips. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now right in the center there, it does also tell us how many kilometers we've been. Only 29,000, not that many. You also have the temperature outside, which way we're facing, and the kilometers the vehicle is going in the center. Now we can switch that up a bit. We got our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B, as well as your messages, your screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it is distracting to you. Now that's control from right here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, your horn in the center, and you also have your cruise control options right there on the other side. In the center here we do have a 5-inch touchscreen display, so you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you have your media tab here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, aux cord, or USB. You also have your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You have your compass, your settings, and your more options, so your clock and your temperature outside. Right down here we have volume up and down with our mute, our screen off, our back button, and our tuner and browser. And then right down here we also have the controls over our 4-wheel lock, our 4-wheel low, and our 2-wheel, and our neutral. And then you have the controls over your climate here, so you have the power up and down with the circulation right there. You have your hazard lights there, your AC and your heat there. Right over here we have where it's going to blow out of, plus our defrosts, and then you have your traction control and your tow and haul mode. Bit of additional storage right over here. And then down here you got a little bit of a storage container, and you got a plug-in right there, and another one just over there. Now in the center we have 3 cup holders with our armrest, which doubles as a storage container. Got some coin holders here, and a USB and an aux cord plug-in, plus another 12-volt plug-in right over there. You can lift this guy up, and you do also have another seat right underneath if you did want. You can seat 6 people all together. Then you also have a dual layer glove box over here. So you got your bottom layer, lots of room with your owner's manual, and your top right up there. And then we also have the controls over some lights right there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. You got your controls over your windows, your handle, and another one right over here. Plus you do have some storage down there. Lots of room back here as well. It is a crew cab, so you got tons and tons of room. Very soft interior back here as well. It's the same material. You can also lift this guy right up just like this if you did want to get underneath. You can put some stuff in there. Then you also have some cup holders just over there. And right under here is a little extra storage container if you did want to use that. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi, and it does also come with an engine block heater. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.